Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna be talking about my thoughts for the next video in solar balls, which is the solar system's true scale pottery. So we see here that, well, yes, it's tomorrow. I'm doing this a day after before this thing, so things can go pretty wrong but pretty good at the same time. So there's like I have I think I have an idea of how this thing um how this video would go throughout. But first we're gonna read this one here. The sun is getting lonely and like in the worst way possible, and everything starts to feel a little too real. So yes, that's all it is at. But the thumbnail is just way too classic. It's too classic. We have this one. Stop that. And so then we're gonna go check out the 30-second spoiler over oh, just gonna check it out. I had Patreon before but I delayed it. I don't know why. Anyway, what we're not going there. Okay, we're gonna go watch the musical review. Oh.
This is so great. Everyone's just following the laws of physics, staying in their orbits. I can finally just relax.
I'm pretty sure all of you have watched this at this point, but if not, then you're welcome. Then we got to see Mercury over there. Yay! That's and then that's how it ended. So and then yeah, I also here I have this in Ivis Paint. So first, we can see the sun is sad. Then oh yeah, this was also part of the show. All of this that I'm gonna show is like I've seen this one from a different YouTuber, don't know the name. So first we see the sunset, then we see then we have Sun looking at Mercury, asking him like if he wants to hear a Sun joke, but he didn't respond, so he got mad. The Sun got mad. Then we have Mercury here. This was all from the show. I got this from like a preview, but I didn't watch it all. And then Mercury was hoping that um everyone still remembered their plan because it did say a few weeks ago, so we don't really know where. And then we got here another preview, Ashidud looking at cards. Then some of them had series in the sun in it, and then the we have cute little Earth over here. Yeah, here it is. This is from Milor. Go give him. This is go give credit to Milor. This is not my drawing. This is so good. Anyways, so this all of this came from the show. I just turned it to Ivis Paint because I can't find the video. Sorry. So the shortcut of this my idea is that when the alignment comes, you're gonna go absolutely bonkers. Yeah, you're gonna go bonkers. And also the gas planets, of course. But Neptune does not move. It's because of this video from TikTok.
Yeah,
I have to
yeah.
give credit to Neptune. This one over here.
Hey! No, right. We had a plan. What was it again?
Get off your orbit!
What?
The plan is for you to get off your orbit!
No, but the sun, well... Neptune! Come on! Follow the plan! Alright, and...
Go Neptune. Nice one. Let's go. Then we have
Come
Uranus
on, mate.
here.
Come on!
Carrying. Let's go.
showtime!
They all move from their orbits. Look at that.
My turn!
Yo, this is the
It's working!
You have the sun here. Looking sad.
Listen, Mercury. I know that things seem unfair. Even I feel like I'm losing control of you, of the others, of myself. But you've always been honest, and you understand me better than most. I need us to be on speaking terms.
Aw.
Please, if there's something I can do better, always, since when
Let's go!
you need to get back to your...
Oh my gosh! No! No way. You Maya! Gosh!
What was
Do
that?
that, let's go! No! They can't move! Oh no! Oh no! They're cooked! Cooked! Over there! Yeah! Look at me screaming, bro. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be crazy. Oh, the earth! Did the earth move? Oh no, they're all cooked. Oh no.
Hey, everyone!
I hope... Of course.
Ow! That was all. So, yep, my plan is over. So, yeah, my so yes, I was totally correct. Yes, Mercury. So yes, as we see that spoiler.
How?
We got see that spoiler. They got to detention. They all got to detention. They all got to detention. Well, the sun is now bonkers. Yay. Let me just check something. Yeah, he's gonna be mad now. Red eyes. Let's go. So yeah. Well, wait. Did Earth move? I didn't really see the Earth move. But anyways, there we. That's where. Okay, we got the spoilers. Give credit to Neptune. The Neptune face here. Yeah. Take. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is gonna be bonkers. Um. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this. Please put your ideas in the comments, and give credit to Milor in YouTube for this photo, and Neptune in TikTok for this um cool thing. It's a part two, but I'm not gonna watch it all for the sake of the amazingness in the video. And yes, put please put your ideas in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. So my yeah, but my regular plan was that the sun will let them go free, but it looks like from this spoiler, it didn't really work out, and now the sun is absolutely bonkers. Yep, we're cooked with this one. We're gonna just they're gonna burn everyone. They're gonna kick Jupiter out. They're gonna kick Jupiter out. Oh, they're gonna kick Jupiter out. Holy no, we're gonna. Well, imagine if they kick Jupiter out because it's Jupiter's plan. Oh, bye Jupiter. Bye. That didn't work. That was a big fail. Sorry Jupiter. Anyways, goodbye everyone. Really, yeah. Uh, anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this one. Yes, it's kind of it's kind of bad by quality, but I don't care. Anyways, bye.